Yes, ready for dictation? Start. After observing so, the appeal was allowed and the army authorities were directed to refer the case to review medical board for reassessing the medical condition of the personnel. Stop. In view of the larger bench decision in Veerpal Singh's case within bracket Supra and the principles of judicial review settled by the Supreme Court, we find that the process of judicial review exercised by this court or Armed Forces Tribunal in terms of Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007 is not an appellate jurisdiction. Stop. It is a just jurisdiction of judicial review so as to ensure that the authorities remain within the confines of law. Stop. The power of judicial review is to examine the decision making process, and if the decision making process contravenes the statutory regulations or the instructions issued to correct the same. Stop. Therefore, if no note of the disease is made at the time of individual's acceptance in military service, it raises a presumption that an individual's discharge or death will be deemed to have arisen for reason attributable to or aggravated by service stoppages. The exception carved out in clause 14 within bracket B is that if medical opinion holds for reasons to be recorded that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination prior to acceptance of service, the disease will not be deemed to have arisen during service. Stop. Therefore, if the invalidating or release medical board has not given any categorical opinion that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination, stop passes. The disease which led to discharge of an individual will be deemed to have arisen in service, then this court in exercise of the power of judicial review will strike down such decision for the reason that the medical board has failed to carry out the mandate given to them by the regulations and the instructions by the central government. Stop. But if the invalidating or release medical board has categorized that the disability is either not attributable to military service or aggravated by military service for the reason that it could not be detected at the time of entry into service, then the said opinion is in terms of the regulations and instructions issued and cannot be substituted while exercising the powers of judicial review. Stop over.